this, but can I get your autograph? Been following you for a long time. Sign right
Puss it puts slaps in the face of death. Bounty hunter.
So I've heard.
You've got to trust me.
Wait, what's going on with his eyes? Oh, they're getting bigger. Oh, Kitty! You gotta trust him. Look at those eyes.
Really? You call that cute?
Oh, look at her. Those eyes are even bigger than yours. Do whatever she wants, Puss. Wait a second. So poofy. No. With the paws? Come on. With the hat? It's all so cute. Am I doing it?
Stop! You're gonna give yourself a hernia.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Pick it up.
Come.
Huh?
미라이 사이코 미라이 사이코 She was just like a dream, the prettiest girl I've ever seen.
One, two, after you.
Wait, what?
Dog? Still alive? Ooh. No.
The beard. Keep it.
Well, you see, Get it, please! Get this shitty thing off of me! It's like a fever on my face!
Is the great Puss in Boots asking for help?
Say help! You were right, the beard is disgusting.
And?
And it's like a possum crawled on my face.
And?
And died of shame.
Okay.
I am the village doctor. I am also the village barber, veterinarian, dentist, and witch finder. And in my...
Perhaps a song. Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero? You were!
Is that a stick? What are you gonna do with that? Ow!
You shouldn't have done that, mate.
Is that a joke? You think this scruffy geriatric bag of bones looks like a legend? This is definitely not.
Treat? You've really got to work on your bedside manner.
You're supposed to be dead.
I got better? Meow? Oh my God!
It's gone! It's back!
Number.